Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a home workout space with Target detailed guide step by step clearly. Choose a dedicated space in your home for your workout area. Consider converting a spare room, garage, or even a corner of your living room. Ensure the space is well ventilated and has enough room for movement. Next, decide on the flooring. If the current flooring isn't suitable, consider adding rubber mats or interlocking tiles. These will provide cushioning and protect your floors during workouts. Now, visit Target to explore your options. Check the fitness section for workout gear, mats, and storage solutions. Look for items like dumbbells, resistance bands, and yoga mats that suit your fitness goals. While shopping, keep an eye out for multifunctional equipment. Items like adjustable dumbbells or resistance bands can save space and offer versatility. Target often has seasonal sales, so look for discounts on fitness products. Once you have your workout equipment, focus on organization. Purchase storage bins or shelving units to keep your gear tidy and accessible. Consider using a basket for smaller items like resistance bands or jump ropes. Next, think about lighting. A well-lit area can boost your motivation and mood during workouts. If natural light isn't available, consider adding some warm LED lights. Create a motivational atmosphere with decor. Post inspirational quotes or hang a vision board near your workout space. A colorful rug can also add a personal touch while defining the area. Set up a sound system for music or guided workouts. Whether it's a Bluetooth speaker or a simple stereo, great sound can enhance your routine. Check Target for affordable options that fit your budget. Finally, establish a regular workout schedule. Consistency is key, so block out time each week for your workouts. Having a designated space will help reinforce this routine. By following these steps, you'll create a motivating and functional home workout space. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.